Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get a cheaper flight. This is a Google Flight hack. So normally when you want to book for a trip, you need to go from point A to point B, and you set the calendar, right? But don't do that yet, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just put your destination automatically, and then basically just go ahead and explore. And you're gonna see the many cities that you're living in, and you're gonna see the prices, right? So basically, without any destination, you don't need to type where to. So basically you're going nowhere. So you're gonna see right here the cheapest flight or the cheapest place to go from your destination. All right. So once you click explore, you get to look for the cheapest destination. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the line here. You're gonna see it at the top of your screen, right? Click on it. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just select the 1 week. You're gonna select the month that you want to go and how long you want to go, right? So let's say January, right? And let's say 2 weeks, okay? And then basically go back, and you're gonna see the cheapest flights right here, and you're gonna be able to just book a flight early, for your trip to anywhere, right, with the cheapest prices. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.